After our consultation with Mel, we've decided that our hair is going to be perfect for the SEASTRAIGHT line. The Lauga SEASTRAIGHT products are designed perfectly to work in synergy with one another to give smoothness and straightness to the hair. Using these products over a period of time, the more you use them, the more the hair will remember the products and keep the hair straighter and smoother for longer. This product transforms unruly hair, and after only one use, you will see visible, softer, shinier, and smoother results. We're now going to use the SEASTRAIGHT mask. This is a deep conditioning treatment that uses an innovative low pH technology which restores the damaged bonds, closing the cuticle entirely, meaning that the hair stays straighter for longer. Once the mask has been applied and brushed through the hair, you can leave for around 3 to 5 minutes. Should the hair not need as much deep conditioning, you are able to rinse the mask immediately, and after prolonged use, you will most certainly be able to rinse the mask without leaving for 3 to 5 minutes. When you first use the product, and should you require more smoothing, more straightening, and have thicker, coarser hair, you will get better results by leaving the mask on for the 3 to 5 minute period.